Hi, this is Mr. Knowles, and this is going to be a mini lesson about perimeter and area using our little notebook that I sent home with you. So let's get to it here. Perimeter is the distance measured, maybe we'll say it like that, around a shape. Area is a little different. Area is how much space fills up a shape. And we measure it with two dimensions. So we measure area using two dimensions. Whoops. We'll do a couple examples here on inside our little notebook. So what is the perimeter and area of a rectangle with the dimensions of 3 by 5 units? So we're actually going to draw this inside our little notebook here. So one side's going to be 3. And as you draw it, please label it. And the other side is 5 units. So I have a 3 by 5 rectangle. So I'm going to do perimeter first. And I'll use the letter P to equal perimeter. The perimeter of this is just adding all 4 sides up. So this side's 3, this side's 5. I would add them up. 3 plus 3 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 10 is 16. The perimeter is 16 units. Area is a little different. We use A for area. Area is how many square units fill up the inside. So you have to visualize these squares inside. That's why I'm having you use graph paper. It's really a multiplication problem. It's really 3 times 5. 3 times 5, that's 15. 15 what? 15 little square units. And we use the little 2 to represent squared, because it's 2 dimensions. So it's 15 units squared, or 15 square units. Let's do another one. So turn the page. We're going to do another one. What is the perimeter and area of a rectangle with the dimensions of 2 by 7 units? Be 2. I believe that's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So draw a 2 by 7 rectangle. And the first thing we're going to do is the perimeter. So write the letter P and add those up. I get, let's see, 14 plus 4. I get 18. And then whatever the units are, so we'll just put units for now. And we're going to put an A for area. And area is basically 2 times 7. It's 14. 14 units squared. There's 14 squares inside that rectangle. I'm going to do another one. So what is the perimeter and area of a rectangle with the dimensions of 4 by 6 units? So let's draw that. There's 4. There's 6, I believe. I'm going to finish off my rectangle here. The perimeter, we'll use P, and you just got to add those up. Add up all the sides. There's 4 sides there. So that would be 20. 20 units. Area, it's the squares inside. It's a multiplication problem, which is 4 times 6. 4 times 6. That's 24. 24 units squared. Let's do one more. Last one. What is the perimeter and area of a rectangle with the dimensions of 3 by 3 units? So we're going to draw a rectangle. It's 3 by 3. So in this case, it's a square. Don't forget, squares are rectangles. And you add those up. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. The perimeter is 12 units. And the area, that's a multiplication problem. It's 3 times 3. Don't forget, you're going to, basically for area, you're doing 3 times 3 because you want to know how many squares are inside. There's 9 in there. So it's 9 units squared. So this is the end of your first mini lesson. It deals with perimeter and area of rectangles. And I hope this all made sense to you. It should be a review. And hopefully you're having a good time at home. Take care. Bye.